Hello friends, today I'm joined with Mark Newman, who's the owner of the Wine Social here in Richland, Washington. It's one of my favorite places to come. You have the most stellar wine and the environment you've provided here is just awesome.
Thank you, Amanda.
You're welcome. And so I'm so excited because you decided to have this in your storefront here.
Super excited.
Yeah, tell us about it.
Well, I'm all excited. All I want to do is create an environment where people come discover new things, have new experiences, learn, and maybe take something home in an experience. And if they want to continue that experience, well, I want to create opportunities for them to further their relationships with discovery that they find here. Does that make sense?
Yes, and what a great atmosphere. I mean, you've got the best wine, which has antioxidants.
Yes.
And you know, sometimes we indulge a little bit too much and we get a little bit of a hangover. And now you have water that's anti-hangover and it has lots of antioxidants.
Well, that sounds like a promise.
It is. Let me tell you, I've tested it many times myself. And so we got the hydrogen water. We have ozone water here too. So the ozone is going to be great for washing fruits and vegetables if you're preparing meals for people. Also great for disinfecting. You have your hypochlorous spray, which is great for cleaning off your countertops, all the tables here for your gas without any chemicals. And then you have your concentrated hydrogen here too. So if you've got someone that's like, oh my gosh, I want to really try this water, just a little bit of this, you'd have to drink about 1 liter of this to get the same potency.
As in a 1 ounce serving of this. So walk me through a whole guest experience. You're coming in to be a guest here. How will this affect or be a part of your visit?
Yes, so what would happen is your client would come in and they're sitting down and you're gonna offer them, you know, what would you like? Would you like some water?
I always bring water.
Yes, and you're gonna say, would you love to indulge in our hydrogen antioxidant water today? Complimentary.
Sure.
They'll say, what is that?
Right.
You're gonna say, oh my gosh, it's the water that's been purified and then we add a hydrogen, which is the most powerful antioxidant, helps inflammation and aging and arthritis and any itises and gut health and brain health. Pretty soon they're like, yeah, we want some.
Great.
And now they're going to start to drink it and they're going to start to feel it. It's almost like you get a little bit of I wouldn't say a buzz, but your brain starts it's on fire. You get focused, you get alert. And then you're just going to notice it goes down very well. And then you're probably going to want to take some home too.
Is this immediate into the initial absorption, or does it take a while for your body to develop enough where you're going to know that you're having something special?
Oh, your body will know.
Feel it right away.
It depends on the person what they have going on.
Of course.
But if the person's real tired, they have a lot of inflammation, they got gut health issues, you drink a glass or two of this and automatically you're feeling a change in your body.
Awesome.
Yep, the people that are really healthy, maybe aren't going to feel because they're already healthy.
They don't have as far to go.
Yes.
So they want to offer them a concentrated water experience. Ice cubes? Should we make our ice cubes out of this?
Hydrogen ice cubes, yeah.
For sure? Okay.
Oh,
so our old-fashioned?
Yes, because it'll stabilize in ice cube form.
So our old-fashioned, our giant cubes that we serve in some of our cocktails.
Yes.
If they're hydrogen-based ice cubes, that'll be an elevated experience?
Oh, way elevated. People are going to be so excited. I can't wait to come here more too myself.
Great.
And then all of you that are out there that have not tried Wine Social, you've got to check it out. They have events all the time.
Yeah, we're very busy. Our website, please, and our Instagram and our Facebook, but also just find us down the hallway, and we promise to take care of you, and more now than ever, thanks to you and our partnership. And then let's close it out with this.
Yep. So this hypochlorous spray, so this is going to be used for sanitizing. You can use it on anything you want. It's not going to harm anything.
You said eyeballs.
Yeah. If you have pink eye, you take a cotton pad, use on the outside of your eye.
Well, we don't have pink eye here.
I know, but it's safe. That's the thing. You can snort it if you get a sinus infection. Kills all bacteria and germs in 30 to 60 seconds.
Well, it looks like it's going to be a fan favorite.
Yes. Well, if you notice someone with skin issues too, it's really great for any kind of skin issues. Yes.
But you'll make that part of the communication that you're going to offer.
Yes.
You know, a quiet salesperson, like a little QR code. That's going to help people dive into more information.
Yep.
Oh, wonderful.
Yep. So all of you out there, make sure to click that link below to get more information on the hydrogen water, to get more information on the Wine Social and the amazing wines here. So thanks again, and we will talk to you soon.
Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you, everyone. See you soon.